Alright, y'all boys, so man, as y'all can see, we about to find out how much this GT63s take at the pump now. I would run 93, but I've been running 91, so I'm just gonna stick with 91. Legend 4X in the cut like peroxide, man. Where's my phone? I gotta get my phone, twin. What you think Diddy and McMill was doing?
We're going out tonight.
Oh! Ah! Did y'all see that video of the sand on his face? That ain't none of my business. I don't care what that man do. Whatever he do, don't pay my bills. But I feel like this should be automatic, bro. This should be automatic, no question. Minimum octane required, 91. That big ass truck. All right, so this is what we finna get. We finna get ag. I hope y'all know this is my favorite. This is my favorite part of my day right here. I just love to wake up every day and say, man, I love to put $80 in my tank. Oh! Every day. I had this car for 3 days and I've been at the gas station 6 times. What does that say? Maybe I need to slow the fuck down. Wow, it just started. We got... Oh, by the way, we had... Before it gets too full, let me show you how much gas we had. We had 21 miles of range. It was lower than that. Okay, now it's 27. The car just raised up. What the hell? All those lights and shit was not that car. A lot of y'all gonna say, damn, he got too many lights on. It's just the engine being in run, twin. Not gonna lie.
Oh, he needs some milk.
We're cooked. Already, bro. Already, bro. We're cooked, bro. All fucking ready, bro. And we not even half a tank yet. We're a smidget of, okay, it's about half right now. It ain't hit half yet. It's half. 42. Oh my god, we about to go for a fucking 84 ball. We're about to go for an 84 ball. Oh Lord Jesus, bro. Holy fucking shit. This nigga wanna do burnouts and shit. You wanna do burnouts and shit. Huh? I'm about to find out. That I don't know. 21? I'm assuming this is a 21 gallon tank, bro. That's what I assume. I don't know. I actually don't know. That last car I think was 19. This one might be 19 too. Alright, well the Lambo was 19, so we'll say that bitch had about a 20 gallon tank. 21. We'll say, I'll say 21. Oh shit! Oh! The dude hit my car on the hallway and he trying to leave! Y'all know I need a girl with a G-Wagon or a GLE. So if y'all know a girl with a G-Wagon or a GLE, not the 550 and not the 53, the AMG, let me know. And I'm a liquor booty crap. You had to have a girlfriend, right? And you had to pick what kind of car your dream girl drive. What kind of car your dream girl drive?
Off the back, I'm gonna have to say probably like an Audi or something.
An Audi?
That's some cute shit.
I mean, yeah, it is.
But that's just thinking off the bat.
So if a nigga drive an Audi, he in some cute shit.
Yeah.
Oh!
I think. Not like that bitch an R8. Anything other than an R8, nigga, you a bitch.
That nigga said fuck the R, all the S people. That nigga said fuck all the RS people.
This shit ain't no sport mode for real.
He said y'all should not geek for real, twin. On God, he said that. Sell that shit. Full tank of gas, we get 244 miles of range, bro. That ain't enough. I ain't gonna cap. That don't satisfy my needs, bro. I drive about 100 miles a day, and I don't do it soft.
They loud.
I already need to go back. That's crazy. I already gotta go get gas, bro. This is absurd. Dante, remember when you said that you think niggas that drive Audis that ain't an R8 some shit?
Mm-hmm.
I just found one of the fastest Audis that they make. Should I try his ass?
Try his ass. Squeeze the Benz. Squeeze the Benz.
We just found some food. We just found some food to eat. We just found some food to eat, boy. Hey, nah, I was chilling. I wasn't even gonna cut the camera on. I said, is that the ops? I was like, is that the ops? Hold on. I'm gonna get back in some plus. This race shit is too active. Where the fuck are you actually going? Where's you actually going, man? And if you not had to bully, now he want to bully me now. Look, he behind me and shit. Pops really don't want no smoke. Okay, Pops. That's how you feeling, Pops? They got state troopers out here writing tickets and shit, boy. Y'all, so Red Rocket just got a full tank of gas. We chased down an RS7 and we just passed by a state trooper. And but we finna go down. I have no clue. Honestly, I probably go scavenge the campus for a little bit. I know nobody's there. It's the summertime and shit. But well, you better calm down. Little ass GTI. Wait, yo, get in your lane. Get in your lane. Get in your lane. Dang, motherfuckers don't know how to ride in their lane, bro. We finna have a whole issue out this bit. Real talk. Yeah, he moving that truck though. He getting it in with that damn truck. It's a FedEx truck. I mean, USP, UPS. It's a truck right here. It's a truck right here. I'm trying to see how he gonna come in my lane or what. I'm getting active. Oh, yo, shawty, what you doing? What the fuck? Is something over here? Oh, there's fucking truck right here. See what I'm saying? She done had secret animosity towards me this whole ride, bro. I'm finna put this damn phone down. I mean, y'all know I had to put my big back card with the Turkey Club, but Yeah, man, we had to park the Benz up. I don't know where Legend at. We walked in together, and then I walked out, and I thought he was behind me, and he won't behind me. So I'm like, damn, where the fuck he go? Where you was at? Oh, looked like a damn bathroom. What you was doing? Rubbing your back?
Yeah.
Big back. Oh, shit. Y'all, we've been making big back jokes all day, but my back actually hurt, bro. Like, not no Diddy shit, but like, I think these massage seats fucking with my back. My lower back be aching and shit. What's going on, man? I'm only 22. What's going on?
Who's been blowing that back out?
If my back ever get blown out, I'm buying an SVJ tomorrow.
Oh!
Yeah, I was driving, talking to him, bro. I looked up, I slammed on brakes. I'm like, oh! Look, y'all make sure y'all stay on that side of the street. Look like them they ass is finna get their ass rocked. I'm like, oh shit. I didn't pay attention to them niggas really. And then it's crazy, the mama not doing her job because the baby walking first. What the fuck? Like, goddamn, where your baby daddy at? I be the baby daddy. Shit, put the little ducklet, the little
But then if the mom is in the front, she won't have eyes on the kid.
Oh yeah, you're right. True. So really, you need somebody in the front and the back.
Yeah.
Type shit. Okay, I'm fucking with it. Like an orgy. What the fuck?
Man,
Yeah, I'm just repeating what you said. Oh hell no, I'm just repeating what he said. Like he said something about an orgy. That's not the second time that happened to me though. I was going on the way to the mall in Chesterfield. Anyway, bro, the ducks be trying to cross the street, bro. If y'all see the duck, let them. The geese be trying to cross the street. If y'all see the geese, let them cross the street, bro. And, yeah, okay.
What's good, fam?
Say something to the vlog.
Yo. Hey, now you gonna push this down?
Yeah, I got you.
Got it.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it. What's your name, my boy?
Tay.
Tay?
Yeah.
That's what's up. Appreciate you. I'm gonna see you around. I just want to go get a gun. I said I'm get a gun. I'm tripping. I want to get a gun, but y'all, we in the AMG right now. I'm trying to actually get a some bullets for my gun channel video. So if y'all don't watch my gun channel, make sure I go watch my gun channel.